Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and guys, in today's video I'm actually going to be teaching you guys how to make an egg hatching system, okay? And it's actually pretty cool how I made this, I'm not going to lie. It was a little bit, it made me think a little bit, because I thought it'd be easier than it was, but, you know, I overcome the little challenge I had with it, and I made it. So as you can see here, let me go and show you guys actually how it works and what it is. It's obviously, it's an egg hatching system, okay? And as you can see here, it's a little egg thing, a little egg holder, and I go ahead and click on this 100 coins thing right here, and I have 100 coins, so I have just enough, and then it'll take my coins away, and then it'll open an egg, and it does a little algorithm to actually pick a little egg, or pick a certain pet, right, from my egg, and actually you can make certain pets rare than others, which is pretty cool, and that's actually what I had a problem with, because you couldn't really just use math at random. At least I don't think so. Anyways, so let me guys go ahead and show you how it works real quick. All right, so here, as you can see here, let me go and click on the pet, or click on the icon. What am I saying? Click on the egg, and it has a little shaking thing right here, and it shakes a little bit for like 5 seconds, and boom, we got a dog. And okay, the dog spawned in, and this is my dog right here, okay? I know it's not the best pet system, okay, but this is just like a pet opening system, okay? So it's not like a whole pet system. If you guys do want that, let me know. I will make a video on that. Or maybe like a series, I don't know, because I might maybe a little longer than just one video. But yeah, leave a comment if you do want that. I might do that. Anyways, this is just the opening system, okay? Because it's kind of difficult to make this, and if you're watching this video, then you probably want help with the opening system. Anyways, so yeah. I'm going to show you guys how I do this and how it works, and yeah, let's go and get right into this video and get started, I guess. Yeah, so also there can be cats too that you can unbox out of it, so yeah. Anyways, go ahead and open up a blank base plate, okay, and then we can get started. Alright, also go ahead and publish your Baseplate real quick before you start, because we're gonna be uploading some files. Well, maybe not, depending on what you want to do, but just like the image files. So just go ahead and publish it real quick if you want to. Alright, anyways, alright, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and need our egg holder, okay? So for what I did, honestly, I just used a free model. Like, I looked up like egg, wait, let me go to models. I looked up like egg holder, and then I found, oh, well, not that, I don't know how that's an egg holder. Oh, there you go, right there, perfect. And as you can see, I have a little egg holder, and there's no scripts in there, perfect. I'll delete the weld though, and then it should be all anchored, okay. All right, perfect. And then what I did was I just put a little egg in there, so I'll just look up egg, and then I'll go on meshes. Oh, okay, egg, and as you can see here, we have an egg. Take whatever egg you want. Obviously, it's just for aesthetic purposes. So yeah, doesn't matter what egg you use. And then I'll just move it in there, and I'll make it bigger. And oh, and there you go. That's my egg. Okay, now that's not the best egg ever, but this isn't a building tutorial. Okay, it's just a scripting tutorial. So yeah, obviously make it better. Make it however you want to make it. You make it look nice for your game or whatever. All right, and also let me make the egg a different color because I don't like the color. I'll do, there you go, blue. And then let me make this more transparent because it's still okay. There you go. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and make a little thing that shows the price of it. So I'll just go ahead and push this down here. And really, guys, you don't really need to make anything if you don't want to. This is also just for looks. Come on. All right, it's just for looks, but you could really just do like a blank part. It wouldn't really matter. But yeah, and then I'll just go ahead and make that a little bit nicer, like there. Move that, tilt that. And then I'm gonna put a, I'll move that in there, move that in there, and then I'm gonna put a billboard GUI on this part right here. That way, or actually, sorry, a surface GUI to display to display the coins or whatever. And as you can see, it's right there, perfect. And actually, let me go ahead and make the size of it to just scale to 1 on each side, and then let me make the light influence 0 seconds, a little brighter. And then let me go ahead and scale the text, and then change this to Gotham Bold, and then I'll make it say 100 coins, or whatever you want to make it. It doesn't matter. 100 coin, 100 coins. All right, perfect. And there we go. You're not clicking on this, so it doesn't really matter what you make this say. But obviously, try to make it match up with what it actually costs, because that makes the most sense, clearly. All right. Anyways, so now we have that. That doesn't look the best, but it'll get the job done. All right. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is create a folder and replicated storage. We're going to make it a folder and replicated storage. We're going to call this pets, okay? We're going to need to put pets in there. So, you know, the pets that we unboxed. So what I did for those is I looked up, like, you know, I looked up dog, and then I found a dog. That one will work. Oh, what the heck? Oh. Okay, as you can see, that one was pretty big, and wait, wait a minute, look at this dude, bro, look at this dude. Okay, I'm sorry, I got off topic. Okay, alright, as you can see here, I made it bigger, and then just hold shift to scale it down proportionally, and that way you have like a good sized dog. Okay, there we go. And then for the same thing for like the cat or whatever, look up cat and the meshes, and then that cat will probably do. And geez, that one's so small. What the heck? So we got a big dog and a small cat. We'll make that bigger. Oh, I did the same thing. Okay, there we go. There we go. We have a cat. All right. So now we're gonna go and do is rename this to just dog. Dog. Oh, not dig. Dog. And then rename this one to just cat. And then we'll move that into our pets folder. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and make a module. Actually, we'll make that in a second. First, let's go ahead and make our GUI. So let's go ahead and go to start a GUI. We'll make a screen GUI right here. We'll call this main GUI, and then we're gonna make a folder in there. We're gonna call this pet images. Okay, and then we're gonna make another thing in here. We're gonna make a text or an image label, and this will be our egg icon, which is gonna like shake on the screen. So yeah. And then we'll move that here, make it a little bigger. There we go. And then for the icons, I actually just found some off Google, but you can do whatever you want. I don't know if I have them, so let me look for it for 1 second. As you can see, I have my file explorer here. I don't want to show you guys anything because I don't want to leak anything. So you know, just wait a second, okay? I don't want to leak nothing. Videos. Okay, let me see. Egg hatching system. Okay, I do have it right here. Okay, so as you can see, I have it right here. So yeah, basically, I looked up on Google. Just go ahead and find whatever you want, take it off the internet, and then put it in your game. All right, that's how you do it. I'm kidding, but that's what I did. So yeah, that's my egg right there. I'll go ahead and upload that. There we go. And then I'll make the transparency to 1, and then that thing looks very bad. Jeez. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to go ahead and make our pet images as well. So we'll insert 2 more image labels. Image label. And we'll move that in a good spot. Oh, I forgot. They don't work in folders. Take it out of your folder and move it around. There you go. Alright, there we go. And then I'll move that. I'll rename this to dog. And then I'll put that back in there. And I'll duplicate it again. Rename this to cat. Let me hide the egg icon for now. And then, yeah, okay. So what we're going to do is just put our dog icon, if you have one. If you don't, you can look up on Roblox. Maybe you'll find something. There you go. Dog. But like I said, guys, just Google it, and then you just save it to your computer, and then do this. There we go. And then we'll do the cat. And there we go. Make the border transparency to both of these to 1. And there we go. Now we have our dog, and then we have a cat and the dog's under there. Perfect. Alright, now we'll hide both of these things right now for the time being. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to go ahead and do now is we're going to go ahead and actually start scripting, I think. Wait, are we? I'm trying to think what else I need to do. Okay, wait, no. Yes, okay. Alright, actually, no, we're good. Alright, so let's go ahead and start scripting this. Alright, so how does this work? Well, actually, wait a minute. We need to have one more thing. Alright, so inside of your egg holder, just go ahead and insert a part real quick. We'll make a part, and then we're gonna call this like the click part. Okay, that way they can just click on this part, and that way they don't have to click on anything specific, and that way everything will start like working once they click on this part. So just surround it with your whole thing, and then we'll make the transparency to 1, and then we'll rename that to click part, and then we'll put a click detector in there. That way, when they click that, and then everything starts working. So yeah, and I'll put that in there, and then go ahead and put a click detector in there as well. Okay. Alright, so now, how does this work? Okay, so basically we click on the egg, and then everything gets to action. Okay, wait, also we need to make our leader stats area. So go ahead and make a leader stats script here. I'll just call this main handler or whatever. Main handler. Just do a quick leader stats just to give ourselves the coins or whatever. So we'll do game.players.player added, function player. And then we'll do local leader stats is equal to instance.new folder. Man, I've done this like literally a million times, guys. Like you don't even know. Like once you're a scripter or you make scripting tutorials, you just do this every day, like every day of your life. You know, it's just clockwork at this point. Anyways, local coins equal to instance.new int value, and then coins.name is equal to coins. Then we'll do coins.value is equal to 100. Just to give everyone 100 coin by default, and then we'll do coins.parent is equal to leader stats, and there we go. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and do is start the system with the clicking of the eggs. Yes. Okay. All right. So let me explain to you guys how this works. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is, okay, wait a minute. What am I doing? Okay, in this click part, in the click detector, insert a script inside there, in the click detector, and we're gonna call this. Actually, let me leave it blank. All right, so we need to define a few things first of all. We need to define the click detector. Okay, so click detector is equal to script.parents, and then we're gonna define a few other things like our replicated storage. We're gonna need our pets, right? Replicated storage, and then we'll do replicated storage equal to game get service rep storage, and then we're going to do our data module. And oh, I forgot our data module. Okay, we actually need to make a data module, which is basically going to be our rarity chances. So we could call it rarity chances. I guess we'll do that. It's probably made a better name for it. Go ahead and insert a module script into our replicated storage. And basically what this just is if you guys don't use module scripts, go watch my tutorial on it. It might clear it up for you. But basically it's just a way to store data and access it from anywhere. And it's just cool. It's just kind of cool to use them. That's why I use them. Yeah. Anyways, all right. So I'm renaming that to like rarity chances. Perfect. And leave that just module. Who cares? Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and require that inside of this script. So we'll do local rarity chances is equal to require replicated storage wait for child's rarity chances. Okay. And then put it on parentheses. Okay, and then in here, what we're gonna put actually is the chances of that our pets of getting. Yeah. Okay. So basically, we'll put a little bit more data in there than just you know that. So we'll put the cost of the eggs in here. So egg cost will be equal to 100. We'll do the egg opening length. How long do you want the eggs to be opening for? We'll do 5 seconds, and then we'll do pets, which is actually going to be the actual area where we, you know, do the rarity stuff. All right, so okay, so I'm gonna actually put a little comment here. So basically, this is the rarity of your chances of opening a pet. The higher the number, the more common. The lower, the more rare. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do dog is equal to 100, and then I'm gonna do cat is equal to 1. Okay, so basically you have a very low chance of getting a cat. It's very, very low. Now I can't really explain how this works right now, but I'll explain it in a little bit once we get the actual algorithm to actually unbox the pets. Okay, so just bear with me for a bit. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to our script right here, and then we're going to go ahead and define our pets as well. We're going to do that for later. So we'll do local pets, take a replicated storage, wait for child, pets, okay? And then we can start doing the stuff. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do local, we're going to click detector dot mouse click connect function player, okay? And we're going to do if player dot leader stats dot coins dot value is greater than or equal to rarity. I should have named it. Okay, rename this, boys. Rename it data module. It makes more sense because it's not just the rarity chances. So data module. Okay, rename everything into that. Sorry about that. Okay, so if player.leaderstats.coins.value is greater than or equal to data module.eggCost, then okay. So basically, we're checking to see if the player has enough coins. So then if it does, okay, well then perfect. Now get rid of their coins, okay? Because they just bought the egg. So then we're going to do player.leaderstats.coins.value is equal to that, and then data module.eggCost. Okay, so basically we're just subtracting the egg cost from the value. All right. Anyways, so then we need to actually go ahead and create the algorithm to open the pets. Okay. So it's gonna be fun. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do actually is make a function up here, and we're gonna call this function. We're gonna call this local function choose pets. Okay. And we're gonna pass through the player. Alright, so first thing first, we need to get our player GUI. Okay, so local player GUI is equal to player, wait for child, player GUI. There we go. And then we're gonna do our main GUI, which is gonna be player, or we'll just do player GUI dot main GUI, and then we'll do local egg icon is equal to main GUI dot egg icon, and then local pet images equal to main GUI dot pet images. There we go. Now we have all our stuff. All right, and then we're gonna set a timer, which is basically going to be okay. This timer, what it's gonna do is it's going to wait 5 seconds, like to have the egg shake a little bit, and then we're going to actually open the pet and do the algorithm, stuff like that. So we're gonna do local timer is equal to egg, or okay, local timer is equal to tick. So we're getting tick because we need to make the script wait 5 seconds. Basically, that's what we're gonna do. We need to make the script wait 5 seconds, but also doing something at the same time. So we're gonna do local. Okay, so local timer is equal to tick. Then we're gonna do egg icon dot visible. Can you get to the police? That's kind of scary. All right, egg icon dot visible is equal to true. We want the egg to be true, and then we're gonna do while tick minus timer is greater or less than data module dot what's it called, egg opening length, do wait like 0.1 seconds, and then we're gonna go to print hatching. Okay. And actually we don't need to print that. What am I saying? Then we're gonna do egg icon dot rotation is equal to math dot random -9 9. Basically what it's gonna do is just gonna check it up a little bit. So as you can see, let me make this visible. So if I go ahead and just make the the orientation or rotation of it to like -9, it tilts to the left a little bit, and then 9 tilts it right a little bit. So what math.random does is it just makes it so it's a random number between -9 and 9. Obviously change that whatever you want to make it change to. So yeah, and then basically what we're doing with this tick timer thing is we're just waiting 5 seconds to open the egg, and it's just gonna shake for 5 seconds. It doesn't actually do anything while you're waiting. It just shakes for a little bit, and then we'll do the waiting stuff here, or the actual algorithm here. All right, so here's the actual algorithm. Okay, so what we're gonna do is do local pet number. Okay, so the local lucky number. Actually, we'll do pet number, but this is the lucky number. Okay, the lucky number is math.random 1 out of 100. Okay, now this is the lucky number because it's a lucky number, okay? All right, just bear with me, okay? So local pet number is equal to math.random 1 out of 100. And what this does is it picks a number between 1 out of 100 random number, okay? So then we're going to do local pet found is equal to false. We didn't find it yet. And then we're going to do local pet is equal to nil. And then we're going to do the actual loop to loop through the numbers, okay? So we're going to do while pet found is equal to false, do... Oh, not that. While pet found is equal to false, do this. Okay, I'm gonna write this first and then I'll explain it. Okay, so for I through v in pairs, data module dot pets do if math dot random 1 comma v is equal to pet number do pets found is equal to true. Oh, wait, then pet found is equal to true. Pet is equal to I. Okay, perfect. All right, so what's going on right here is basically what I'm doing is I'm getting a random number between 1 and 100 because that's like the rarity chances, right? Remember we had a data module. The highest number was 100. The lowest number is 1. So you go ahead and do that. Make that your you can make your rarity chances like 1,000 to 1 if you have more pets or whatever. But you can if you have more pets, you can do a lot of stuff. You can put another number in there like and then do 500 or whatever you want to do. And then the cat would be very, very, very rare. But we'll just do like this for now, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm getting a random number between 1 and 100, and then I'm making a loop basically loops through every single number. Okay, actually, all right. So it loops through the pets. Okay, it loops through the pets and the rarity chances. Okay, and then it says if math.random 1, v. So it gets a number. Okay, it loops through it, right? The pets, and it gets a number, and it gets a number through 1 out of 1. Okay, that's the only random number you can get. Okay, so so all right, so okay, so you see math.random right here, 1, v. What that just did is it said, okay, we're gonna do 1 out of the rarity chance. So maybe 1 out of 100, maybe 1 out of 1, whatever that's looping through currently. Okay, so let's say it does the cat, 1 out of 1. Okay, so if you do math.random 1, 1, the only number you're gonna get is 1. Okay, so then you're gonna do equals pet number. So if it equals pet number, which is 1 out of 100, then pet found is equal to true, and then pet is equal to I. Okay, because I is the name of the pet. Okay, so basically 1 is going to be very, very rare because the number is out of 100, right? Does that make sense? So basically, out of 100, there's a lot higher chance that you're going to get the pet because it's out of 100 and not just 1. And also the pet number is out of 100 too. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. Basically, so unless pet number rolled a 1, which is a 1 out of 100 chance, then there's no way that it's gonna be so it's a 1 out of 100 chance to get the dog or to get the cat, if that makes any sense, because it's I'm bad at explaining this, guys. I hope you understand what I'm saying, right? I hope this makes sense. Basically, it's a 1 out of 100 chance to get the cat because the number is 1 out of 100, and 1 is only 1 out of 100. So, yeah. Okay. That's how it works. If you don't understand, don't worry. Maybe you'll learn one day. For now, just skid, boys. Just skid. Okay. Anyways, so after you find the pet, we're going to do egg.icon.visible is equal to false, and then we're going to do local pet image is equal to pet image, or pet images, find first child, pet, right? Because we set it equal to pet, or set the pet that was found equal to that, so equal to pet, and then we're gonna do pet image dot visible is equal to true, and then we'll just wait 2 seconds or whatever, and then we'll do pet image dot visible is equal to false. Okay, and then we're gonna just return pets, and there we go. Alright, so as you can see there, it's going to return pet, and what's going to happen is we're going to do, we have this, the whole algorithm right here, so then once it actually buys the egg, we're going to do local pet opened is equal to choose pet, and then pass it to player, and then we're going to do print the pet that it opened, just a nice thing to know, and then we're going to do local pet is equal to pets, find first child, pet opened, and then clone it, right? Because we don't want to take the only one out of the reserve. And then we're going to do pet.position is equal to player.character.humanoid root parts dot position, and then pet.parent is equal to game.workspace. Alright, perfect. So as you can see here, it's just going to take that pet and move it there. So let's go ahead and run the script and see if this bad boy works. Actually, I feel like I'm missing something. I don't know if I am. I'm pretty sure I have everything. No, that's everything. Yeah, I think it's good. All right. So, oh wait. Oh my. Okay. So, all right. Issue number 1. Take off this. Make that invisible for now. Also, I forgot to anchor that little thing right there. And then I also forgot to anchor the egg. Anchor that egg. And there we go. Okay. There we go. All right. Now hit play. And now let's go and test this bad boy out. So, I'm going to go ahead and spawn in. I have 100 coins. I have all that stuff. And I see my little thing right here. Okay, it's cost 100 coins. I want to buy it. I think it looks cool. And, wait a minute. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Alright, I made the click part not anchored. So make sure you anchor the click part, or else you might have an issue. So, yeah. My bad, guys. Also, let me turn Cancel off so you don't have to, like, walk between it. Alright, man, make sure you anchor the click part. I think it flew away somewhere. Alright, anyways, so I'm back in the game, and as you can see here, I can click on this. I can click on the egg. I can click on it if I want to, and if I had 100 coins, it costs 100 coins, so I'm gonna buy it. Okay, I want to buy it. Let's buy it. As you can see, the egg shakes. It shakes. It shake, and after 5 seconds, it opens. I got a dog. Awesome. There it is. There's my dog. Okay, it works. All right, awesome. Awesome. I love when it works. Okay, so it worked first try. Cool. This is my cute dog. Okay, I don't know what his name is, but he's looking pretty cute. Oh my gosh. No, are you okay? Are you okay? I'm going crazy. I'm talking to dogs right now. Anyways, that's how that works. Okay, and if you want to make more pets, just make sure you add the pet image, make sure you add it into the folder, and make sure you add it into here. And now, as you can see, I'll go ahead and change this around if you guys don't believe how this works. I'll make the dog, have a chance of 1 at 100, and then I'll make the cat 100. Okay, and yeah, so yeah, okay, okay. All right, so let's go test that out and see if this works. And let's see how this works. Let's go ahead and press it, and we're probably gonna get the cat. If we get the dog, that's a very rare chance we might get it, but we're probably getting the cat. And as you can see, we got the cat. That's because we changed the rarity chances. Okay, makes good sense. And now let's say you want it to be equal. Maybe let's say you want it to have an even chance of getting a cat or a dog. All right, what you would do is just make the 100 for both. All right, or make it 50 for both, or just make it the same, and that's gonna give you the same rarity chances. So yeah. So go ahead and make that 100, and then like I said, guys, also if you do make if the highest number is 50, you make it both 50. Well, then make it so it's looped. Oh crap! I accidentally closed the script. Make it so it just goes out of 50. Okay, the pet number. Okay, so yeah, you could make a script actually just find the highest number in there, but I can't be bothered enough to do that. But yeah, just make sure you change that if you do make like the highest number 50 or whatever. But we'll keep it as 100 for now. So 100, 100. So it has an even chance of getting both. So we'll go ahead and hit play, and let's see which one it gets. And who knows? We'll see, I guess. And as you can see here, it's gonna get the dog. Awesome, cute dog. We got it. Back of the dog. And as you can see, guys, it works just fine. That is how you do it, guys. I hope you guys understood this video. I hope you understood the algorithm and all that stuff. Leave a like if you guys did. Leave a like if this video did help you out. That's just how how you can pay me, I guess. Or subscribe if you're new as well for more awesome Roblox scripting tutorials. I upload them all the time, and you can learn a lot from this channel. So yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. And also join the Discord server, guys. My Discord server is lit. Okay, everyone's in there talking all the time. It's pretty cool. Oh no, that's the wrong thing. So yeah, make sure you join the Discord server. It's pretty cool. Give me people in there. So yeah. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.